from the top. Look kasi ng ilaw. May angle yun, no? A little bit bigger lang shadows for the table. One shadow, pangalawang shadow. From the outside. Later on, pakita ko lang siya. Table pa lang, no? And then for the chair, magkakaroon sa pang shadow here. Okay, more or less. Another one here. Okay. So, as usual, kailangan natin ng yellow. Then we have to mix a green, no, for the floor. So, pwede mo na yung floor, no? Put some on this side. Note yung center nung dining hindi ko na siya ipipaint.
So hindi niya nabubura yung mga lines?
Hindi na. Especially for board exam, wala ka ng time na magbura ng lines. Gray.
So it's yellow.
Yellow ba? Okay. Put some here.
That's the floor, sir, the wall.
This is the floor. So ano lang ang gagamitin natin, no? It's like dirty white, no?
This is white tiles.
Yes.
So anong mixture po?
Gray lang.
Base is always violet.
And
yellow.
Yellow para magkaroon ng konting drama, no?
Kunyari line, so
this wall, pwedeng may accent ano ka, no? You have an accent piece or you can put a mirror, any. So, let's say, gawin natin plain wall lang muna siya ngayon. Tapos, simple lang. Start from here. Continue. Guys, we start from the table lang. So always start from the center. So ano siya, no? This is glass. So we need a blue. This time gagamit ako ng black. Dito lang. Hindi ko nakita ko yung blue na ginamit mo. It's too, parang striking. You have to put some gray. Gray or black. For the sky. So first coating, as usual, no? Pwedeng graded, pwedeng flat from this line, the whole stretch yung dito, no? Iwasan nyo na yung chair, no? Plus the edge, no? Except the vase tsaka yung bowl. Ay! Okay. Turquoise lang. Turquoise dito sa likod lang. Next, we can do the shadows. Second coating for the glass, no. So here pwedeng depende, no. If you need to put a line here, no, to differentiate the wall and the curtain. So it depends kung anong color ng curtain mo. If it's darker, yung darker portion, this one. If darker in wall, from here to the left, itong portion naman yung mas dark. Let's say mas dark ng konti in wall. Okay.
Sir, that's the same color na pinatong ko.
Yes. And then yung pinaka no, yung pinaka pedestal nung table, no, which is this one. So this second coating. So this is like parang your rendering cube, kasi di ba we have three coats, light, medium, dark. Okay, so ang pwede natin gawin, this is the first coating, this is light, and then we have another coating here, and then third coating maybe this one or this one, depende yung light source. Let's say ito na lang yung mas dark, no? So light, medium, dark. Okay. Feeling ko masyadong light, no? we need sharper glue. Lagyan natin sa medium. Okay, so medium will be this whole portion na. Between hati and okay. Wait, I forgot to do this one. Okay, there's a portion of the chair now. Okay, I think up to here na yan.
Chair.
Guys, kailangan talagang skolado, no, yung mga corners. It's very important kasi napansin ko sa gawa niya, hindi siya hindi siya malinis eh. And then this portion, this is dark, no? Saan mag-start? I think here. Dagdagan lang natin ng konti. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. This is the table now. This portion, we have some shadows. Use a chair. Since you have table here, no, magkakasya ng shadow here. Because of yung edge ng table, kung tama ng ilaw, tatama yun hanggang floor. Okay. So basically, darken na natin.
That's from the table.
Yes. So at the same time, masa-separate niya this portion and this portion. Okay. Next, we have to do the edging of the table para magkaroon siya ng bevel, no? We have to make it look bevel siya, no? So medyo nakaslant. So it's a series of diagonal lines, ha? So mas dark yung gusto natin gawin dyan, no? So darker blue, some here, and black. Okay, we start from the edge. Okay, see here to the right and to the left. Wala nang basis to, no? This will be parang at random, ah. Pero